just had known where
We're at
the
this
campground was, we
campground,
wouldn't have had to come so far down.
and our campsite is nowhere near where our boats are. We had a guy who said that he will bring his trailer to help us out, but we're kind of thinking we're going to line the boats back upstream for a little bit because there's another alternate takeout that is not far from our campsite. So that's kind of what we're leaning at right now.
If you guys struggle find me, I'm up here at the tubes. I can still get ready. We'll see. Even if you're asking about the lasagna,
Up, yeah. Okay. Right?
Well, in my mind, I'm thinking you're going to ruin it. And then I think about what I just did on the river, and I'm like, why would I think that?
Oh, good, it's here.
It's okay.
Well, I already did one, well, two actually.
You should be a little in. Guys, we are not to keep my lead. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, by the way, guys.
This is how the river paddlers get it done. Come along, check this out. You ready? Down. Just like that, we have arrived at our campsite. So when you guys kayak camping and you got to get a campsite randomly, just piece it out, get it done.
Get any yet?
Oh, Brian, can you come get some?
Good.
At least your rice. We'll need rice. It's super neutral.
The rice is not seasoned.
It's just like white and brown rice with
It's
olive
not
oil.
seasoned.
That's it.
All right. The rice isn't seasoned. It would go good with your Denny Born.
What's
I
Dinty
can
Moore?
pour some in this, yeah.
What the fuck is Denny Moore?
We don't know what Dinty Moore is. Yeah, you definitely could put some rice in the stew. It's right there.
You should send that drone up over this place.
Oh my gosh.
Should.
Are you allowed?
Doesn't smell like steak.
So morning day 3 here. Most of them I've already put in. They're going ahead just a little bit. Although it looks like they're just treading water instead of going down river. I'm not sure why they're doing that. Brian's about ready. We only got about 3 miles left, and hopefully the river is kind to us this morning, and there's not too many zigzags and shoaly areas that we got to go through. So we'll find out shortly. Yeah, so last day we got about 3 miles left. Hopefully, like I said, the shoals and rocks aren't too bad. I see Dustin out of his boat, which tells me it is a rocky area up here, but we're going to try to find the route to get through it.
this thing gonna work? Maybe it will.
It's gonna be another really hot day, but we should be off the river before it hits the really hot part of the day. So you can tell it's another shoaly, low area, rocky area coming up.
Actually, yeah, I did pretty good back there. Even with my weird paddle.
Maybe that's helping.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe I'll just leave it.
can hear some running water up here. Don't know if it's gonna be too shoaly to get through or what, but we're gonna find out. So we're coming up on the takeout here in the next 2-3 of a mile. The end of a 3-day, 2-night kayak camping trip here on the South Fork of the Shenandoah River. Water level's pretty low, so 2.3 feet is what they were put in at a minimum of 2 feet. To give you a little bit of guidance, 3 feet is considered medium water, so you know, 2.7, 2.8 would probably be really good. Even 3 feet I think would be really good for something like this. Had to do a lot of maneuvering, a lot of getting out of boats, which, you know, obviously takes a long time. But there's a lot of horizontal rocks, shelves of rocks going across this river, like constantly. And they're hard rocks, which, what I mean by hard rocks is they'll like grab your boat. Like you can't slide off of them very easily. They'll grab your boat, they'll damage your boat easier. So you gotta be more careful around them. But also when you're hitting those horizontal shelves, you know, if there's a way around it, you've got to go all the way to the other side of the river maybe, then cut all the way back across, then all the way back. It's just constant maneuvering like that, which makes it take a long time. So my recommendation for this river, it's a beautiful river, but if you're thinking about doing something like this, kayak camping on it or whatever, then I'd probably say the minimum that you really want to do it at is probably about 2.7 feet. Because 2.3, it's really a little too low. You can do it at 2.3 feet. We've done it. It's just a little low. But if you're gonna have a real good experience, a more enjoyable experience, it's gonna be closer to 3 or closer to 2.7 feet for you. So around this corner somewhere, I should see a boat ramp. But yeah, it's great for the second annual. This is our family trip. All these rocks you can't even see until you're on them, by the way. So 8 people this year is a lot. It becomes a lot to kind of try to find a campsite for. But we made it work. Included my brother Keith this year. His first time going to this event. Brian again joined. On the other side again, we had Dana and Brielle. And adding to the group was our cousin Dustin, and also adding to the group was Uncle Kevin. So pretty cool to have all of them and get to see them, spend some time with them, because we don't see them very often. Yeah, good, still a good trip. It was warm, it was hot. I don't usually like to kayak camp when it's so hot, but we make an exception if we need to for this trip. And you know, we survived, so that's really the important part. We had plenty of water and all that kind of stuff. So I actually dumped out a lot of my water this morning because I knew we didn't have very far, and I just wanted my boat as light as possible, and also to get rid of trash that I didn't need since we were at a campground last night. Yeah, it looks like we may have a little bit more shoals coming up here, rocky areas, before we get to this boat ramp.